So gents, what do you make of that then this afternoon? Decent point?
Ultimately it's 1 point better than last season, which we'll take. On the balance of play, I think we had the better chances, and unfortunately VAR has ruined it for me. Absolutely ruined
It's the Andre Mariner show today, I think.
Yeah, I mean, you look at it and you think it's only just hit Bully's arm, but he has nothing to do with it. I mean, this is going to be a problem all season, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just one of those things that we're going to have to deal with. We're going to have to accept it. There'll be some decisions that will go our way, but this today didn't.
When do you celebrate a goal from now on?
I think VAR's ruined football, to be honest. I think it's a perfectly good goal. You get results like that 9 times out of 10. It's just ruined the football.
Yeah, I mean, look, it's hit Bully. He's known nothing about it whatsoever. I mean, incredibly frustrating, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's going to ruin the English game. You can't celebrate a goal anymore until basically you're checked by VAR.
Yeah, I think it's a good result overall. You know, came here thinking a draw would be a good result, so it would be nice to get a win. But overall, we're going to Leicester. Leicester are a great side. Yeah. So I think overall it's a fair result.
Yeah. At the same time, how do you see the VAR decision today? Obviously, just hit Bully's hand, knew nothing about it. Do you feel that's fair, or that's the way it's going to go this season?
I think it's the way it's going to go this season. We saw a couple of the games yesterday, and there were VAR decisions, and overall I thought it was a goal, but overall you can't complain.
Raul and Jota could have had 4 between them today, easily. I mean, just before half-time, when Jota went through, did a great run and then fell over. Straight after half-time, he had another chance and did the same. And then Jimenez, I don't know what was up today, I do think we were a bit leggy.
Yeah. I mean, it's an easy thing to say, but they did look tight, especially midfield. They gave the ball away, which was unlike them, wasn't it?
The midfield was lacking.
It's probably the worst game I've seen Ruben Neves have.
Yeah, I think Diogo looked a bit short of confidence today. I think last season he'd have buried at least one of them. The confidence, he just dropped. I don't know why, but hopefully I'll get it back soon.
Especially Jota, there are a couple of chances there where you'd expect Jota to get them in. But I think it was very exciting to see Cotroni come on and see what he could do. And he wasn't given a long enough spell really to assess his potential. But I think it's going to be exciting going forward.
Yeah, and look, travelling the 72 hours ago, they were in Armenia. I mean, it's difficult to play Thursday, Sunday, isn't it? But they're going to get used to it.
Yeah, they are going to get used to it. I mean, you know that yourself, Nathan. It's a Mongol trip over there, and I think there was some side which was artificial intelligence, which kind of said that Wolves would be in the bottom 3 after the first 15 games. But I think that was on the back of having to play the games of the Europa League and play the Premiership games. So the fact we came here, got a draw today, I think it's a good result.
If you're playing Thursday, Sunday, what can they do in the Premier League this season? Do you feel they can do the same as what they did last year?
I think we'll have a good season again. I really do. I think it's just we're going to have tough games like this.
I think 7th. A lot of people are saying we've got to hit 7th again if we don't fail. I disagree. I think you're fighting on 4 fronts. You've got 2 cup competitions, the Premier League and Europa. So I'd take a top 10.
I'm happy with top 10 with a little cup run. Yeah.
It'll be interesting on Thursday night if we see some of the new signings play, and some of the young kids play. Let's see.
We look tired. I think we look to catch them on a counter attack, but 90% of that game we look tired after about 20 minutes. To be honest, I think we've got to maybe sacrifice one or the other.
Yeah, and look, a lot of people fancying Leicester to do well this season. That could be a decent point.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, people are talking about Leicester, Everton, or Wolves cracking the top 6. I mean, it's going to be a difficult job for Wolves because of the fact that we've got all these Europa League games on a Thursday night. But hey, it's going to be an exciting season, whatever happens.
I think the new guys that have come in, they've got to start Thursday. The fans get to see what it's all about, and and see how it goes.
Still a better point than last season, yeah?
Yeah, of course.